안녕하세요. 저는 베를린 자유대학교에서 온 사라랑
루이스입니다. Yeah, it's my first time in Korea right now. I've recently come here just for the summer school, and I gotta say it's honestly an amazing experience. I'm so glad that I was able to come here for this program, and it's a beautiful country, very nice people, very nice experience with the cultural activities we did.
On the right side, you can see the view that we had of a loop.
My first impression is that it's very coordinated and organized, and I've been able to learn what they're studying back in their university in terms of Korean culture and how they would be able to implement that in their careers. I've been here for 6 months, and there are things that they've shared which I didn't know about Korea before, so I think it's a great opportunity for me to be part of this.
It was really nice just to meet the different students. They're so passionate about Korea and they had a lot of questions. It was really lovely to interact with them, and then today's session was also really impactful just to learn the different policies and experiences that they've learned about while they've been here in Korea. So it's been a lovely experience altogether.
학생들이 한국 현장에 와서 한 학기 동안 준비했던 내용들을 답사를 하면서 배우는 거여서 학생들이 무지 열심히 참가를 했었고, KDI 스쿨에 와가지고 경험이 많은 그 학생들로부터 커멘트를 들으면서 굉장히 많이 도움이 됐다라고 하는 걸 들었습니다.